Hello, my name is Carlos Ramos. I am with Health Promotion, and today we're going to be making a creative breakfast. For this video, I chose to make the scrambled eggs with potatoes and oatmeal at the same time. However, you also have the option to make the oatmeal during the week and the scrambled eggs and potatoes during the weekend. Just get creative with your breakfast. Welcome back, this is the final product. It took about 25 to 30 minutes to cook. This breakfast can serve 1 to 2 people. Bam! You're not gonna get anything better than that.